Summer festival season is kicking off in Vail, Colorado this weekend with adventure sports, music, dogs during the annual GoPro Mountain Games. Travel journalist Jennifer Broome is there to share all the fun. Good morning.
Good morning, and I have to share with you my room view, the balcony view from the Sitzmark. It's a family-owned boutique hotel. It's one of my favorite hotels in Colorado. So if you're thinking about coming up for GoPro Mountain Games this weekend or later this summer, this is a spot you want to stay.
Well, Jennifer, it looks stunning. For those of us who have not been to the GoPro Mountain Games, describe it.
It is such a good time. It is in its 24th year. The GoPro Mountain Games are put on by the Vail Valley Foundation. They do so much here to better the lives of people who live in the Vail Valley. It is over 35 different competitions across 11 different disciplines. It is so fun to watch all of these free competitions, to watch them. But there's also beyond the competitions, there's all kinds of things. There's art activations. There's vendors in the village. You can see some of that right behind me. There's all sorts of kid activities. There's runs, there's bike rides, there's yoga, which I'm going to partake in. And then, of course, there are the dogs.
Okay, I'm glad you mentioned the dogs because I've read that is a fan favorite. It's the Purina Pro Plan Dog Town. What goes on in Dogtown?
It is absolutely my favorite part of the whole weekend. Again, the GoPro Mountain Games go from today right on through Sunday. But what happens is you have these Purina Pro Plan dogs. So you have dueling competitions going on, and then you have the big air dogs. And it is so much fun. You hear the crowds cheering and when the dog doesn't quite make it off and leap into the water. You hear a lot of laughs as well. But these are top canine athletes that are competing at all sorts of different disciplines, including the Purina Pro Plan Incredible Dog Challenge. That's where they're going with interactive agility challenges. So a lot of fun over there. It is for dog lovers for sure, and such a great time.
Okay, so if you're there in Vail for the GoPro Mountain Games, what are some of the other things that you personally love to do in Vail?
Well, and I've got to share this because, I think it's fun for folks in Phoenix and in Arizona to know there's so much that goes on here. Get that cool escape. Come on up and join us. You can go see concerts at Gerald R Amphitheater. The AMP Summer Concerts feature artists like Miles Smith, Trombone Shorty, Alice Krauss, Cole Swindell, the list goes on and on. And then, I love some free fun. So there's also the free Bullet Hot Summer Nights series. And then the Vail Dance Festival, world renowned. It does feature some of the top dancers and companies out there. It's exceptional artistry in the Colorado Rockies. That is coming up July 31st through August 10th. So you have plenty of time to plan for that. Just a spectacular artistry that you can see with those dancers and companies.
You got dance, you got culture, you got mountain air, you got dogs, you got sports. You mentioned the dogs, of course, but what's one other GoPro Mountain event that people should make sure to see if they're up in Vail?
You really should not miss the speed climbing. It is absolutely crazy. It is called the North American Cup Series, and you have athletes going head-to-head. These are elite athletes. Potentially, we'll see them in the 2028 Olympics. They're certainly all going for that. But they do climb a 15-meter wall, which is 49 feet. But get this, they climb that wall in like 5 to 10 seconds. In less than 10 seconds, they take off from the ground, and they have, I think it's 20 handholds and 10 footholds that they each have to hit. But it is so cool to watch that. And in addition to that, there really is so much free fun around here. There's walking around Gore Creek, which you can probably hear. There's the Betty Ford Alpine Gardens, which is also free. And of course, the GoPro Mountain Games are free themselves.
Where can people go for more information?
It is super easy. You can go to mountaingames.com, or you can download the Mountain Games app, and you can actually set up your festival schedule right there in the app. And if you want to learn more about the Vail Dance Festival and about the concerts at Gerald R Amphitheater, also over at the Villar Performing Arts Center that's just down valley over in Beaver Creek, you can go to vvf.org for the Vail Valley Foundation to see all the great work that they do here.
Thank you so much, Jennifer. Great talking to you.
Always great to see you.
We're going to put that information up on our website as well. That is cw7az.com.